Hello everyone, welcome back to Codemaster Java. Today we are diving into one of the most popular and very first problem of LeetCode to sum. Whether you are preparing for an interview or just honing your coding abilities, this problem is a great exercise in understanding basic of HashMap and arrays. So let's get started. This is the easy level problem, and here is the problem statement. Given an array of integer nums and integer target, return indexes of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so let's look at an example. Here the nums array is equal to 2, 7, 11, and 15, and the target is equal to 9. So the our function should return 0 and 1. The explanation of this is basically 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and the indexes of both of the element is 0 and 1. So that is the output. To solve this problem, we have two methods. Very first one is brute force method, and the second one is and the effective one is using a hash map. We will go through both of the method one by one. So first, let's get start with brute force method. Okay, in the brute force method, we will use two for loop. One will start from the very first index of the array till till, array till the length of the array, and the second, the inner for loop, will start from the I plus 1, and it will also go till the length of the array. Okay, here we will basically check if the nums of j equal to target minus nums of I, then we will finally return the answer, because we found our solution. Its indexes of both element is I and j, so that is our case, and that is the answer. Also, to handle the case for which we do not find the answer, we will throw a new illegal argument exception. Okay, let's check our problem. Let's check our solution. Everything is all good. Okay, yeah. Okay, now run to check the local test cases. Yeah, the local three test cases is passed. For the first one, 2, 7, 11, 5, the target is equal to 9. It should return 0, 1, and it's expecting 0, 1. So it's good. For the second one, 3, 2, 4, and the target is 6. The output is 1, 2, which is expected output, and same for the 3, 3 array. Okay, now let's submit it and check the time complexity and space complexity of this. So it's taking almost 44 milliseconds, which is way too much higher to solve this problem. It is the time complexity of this problem is O n square. So big O of n square, which is very high. So let's optimize it to use the to solve this problem effectively. We can use the map data structure, map of integer. Okay, now let's Okay, we will remove this inner for loop, and now let's store the complement in one of the variable. If our map contains this complement, to make sure spelling is correct. Okay, if the map contains the complement element, then that is the our answer. If we do not find our element in the map, then we will add the current element in our array. Okay, so this is it, all set. So let's check if it's working correctly or not. See, all test cases are passed. Let's submit it. It's accepted, and it's taking only 2 milliseconds to complete it. It's way much faster than the previous one, the brute force attack. Okay, and that's it for the problem to sum. We have covered problem statement, our approach to solve the problem with the brute force method, and also with the hash map, and we verified our solution with all the test cases. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to Codemaster Java for more coding tutorials and problem solutions. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestion for future videos. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.